What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you are looking at a 2011 Victory Crossroads. Guys, this is Victory's version of like the Road King. We'll start here. Actually, it has some scuffs on the bag if you can see those in the light. Scuffs, scuff, scuff. Super common with hard bags all the time. I see this just because people are throwing their legs over it. Got some scratches here in the back. Not big deal. Scuff right above there. This bike is freaking awesome though. Chrome is in amazing shape. Tank is in pretty awesome shape. It's got a scuff right there and a scuff right there. But this bike is super cheap. I think it's like 6,900 bucks. Scratch right there, but it does have this really nice padding over the highway bar. Scuff on the front fender. Scuff right there. Chip in the paint. Chip in the paint. I'm a giant fan of these bikes, guys. They run so nice. It's got that 106 that's in all of the Victories. Polaris made engine. Scuff right there. Slight scuff right there. Couple little hairline scratches right here. I think it's got right around 10 on it. Let's see. 18,289. Fires up right away. One of the reasons I really like this bike, one, it's got cruise, which is freaking awesome. But two, if you're gonna spend, if this was a 2011 Road King with 18,000 on it, it'd be a $10,000 bike. This one's like 6,900 bucks. It's got plenty of power. It's American made. People notice you when you ride it. It's pretty awesome. It's got good pullback. It's super comfortable to ride. A little bigger feeling, more spaced out than if you had like a Highball or. So it's got the big old bags. It's a really nice touring bike, guys. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. This bike will not last long. Thanks, Tom, for watching, guys.